Hey there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to connect Stripe to Lovable. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will be describing everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, before starting, make sure that you already have your Stripe account and an existing Lovable project, which is right here. And then, by the way, this lets you easily accept payments on your website. So yeah, first you will open your Lovable dashboard and then you will click on your project and then you will click this three that's bottom right here, and then just go ahead and click settings. And once you're here, you will have to go to the integrations section, and here you should see an add integration if you do have that option, or whatever terminology that your version has. So yeah, you should have that add integration option. And then after you click add integration, then you will just have to choose Stripe from the list, and then you will click connect Stripe account. You will then be redirected to your Stripe's login page, and then you will just have to sign in, click allow access to link that to platforms, and then once you're connected, you will just have to return to Lovable, and you will see Stripe listed as active. And now you will just have to go to your page editor, and then you will add your payment button or product checkout component. And yeah, that's basically it. And please make sure to like and subscribe if this video is helpful. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.